Here's how to perform factory reset on POCO X7 Pro. If you want to perform hard reset or erase all data, then here's what you can do. So if you have access to your phone, if you remember the password, then you can go to the settings. In the settings, go to About Phone. Over here, scroll down and choose Factory Reset. And then here you have the summary of everything that will be erased. Choose Erase All Data. Enter your password of your lock screen. And then choose Factory Reset. Simple as that. However, if for some reason you don't remember the password or the pattern, you can perform the factory reset through the recovery mode. In order to do that, first we need to turn off our device. So use the power button and volume up button at the same time so that you open the power menu. Swipe up to power off. And now let's wait for the device to turn off. Once it is off, you need to press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. And once you see the POCO logo, you want to only hold the volume up button. So press and hold it. Both of these buttons, power up and volume up. And now release power button and just hold the volume up button. In a second, we should see the recovery mode. There we go. Use volume down in order to scroll down, and of course volume up in order to go up if needed. Choose wipe data, confirm by pressing the power button, and then once again scroll down to wipe all data and confirm. By doing so, you can also perform the factory reset, but this is like a backup plan if you don't remember the password. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!